How to turn off contacts on Snapchat. First is by opening your Settings app and then scroll down to the bottommost part until you can see the Snapchat app. So it is placed in alphabetical order. So Snapchat is letter S. So you may see it right here. Click on Snapchat and click on the toggle button on the rightmost part of contacts right here. So you can see there is a toggle button. Click on that one, and then that should turn off your contacts on Snapchat, or that should remove your contacts from your Snapchat. So again, just to recap, go to settings, go to the bottommost part and look for Snapchat. Click on contacts and make sure that the toggle button is on the left side or will be turned off and it should turn into gray. And that's it. That's how you can turn off contacts on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.